The people of this district know me. They know my work ethic. They know where my heart lies. And that's why they've sent me back to Congress again and again, and I believe they will again, because of what we're threatened with right now. And what we need right now is experience. And someone who can be a champion and a proven leader in Washington. I'm a proven leader. I'm in the House Democratic leadership. I'm poised at this point in time to take on this president, and I've been doing that just like I did this week when I marched in protest against what's happening at our nation's border, where this government is separating children from their mothers. It is antithetical to everything that I believe in, and that's what I fight for every day.
And you know what? If this organization is as fascist as you have called it,
I've said it's fascist.
And you have said it's fascist, then why don't you adopt the stance to eliminate it? This is a moral problem, and your response has been to apply more paperwork to this situation, to have ICE collect more information on immigrants, and that puts our communities in danger, and it also conveys a profound misunderstanding of how we should be approaching this problem.
You want to abolish ICE? What would be?
What I would suggest about that, and Kamala Harris today came out in opposition to this, because she knows, as I do, that simply abolishing the agency doesn't take it out of the hands of Jeff Sessions or this president. We know it's about making change in Washington. It's about Democrats taking back control of the House of Representatives. And that's what I'm about doing. Okay, that's what I'm going to do, and that's what I'm going to be successfully doing in this November.
Let me